So the holiday season has started. So I got a few more days off, and then I've got a few weeks off as well. And it's one of those things where you go like Christmas. Christmas, what I'm used to in the Netherlands, it's snow, cold, ice skating, stuff like that. Now I'm just going to show you what actually, when we know that Christmas in New Zealand is near. It's this. When the pukekawa tree is in bloom, you know that it's nearly Christmas. Look how beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So yeah, when this starts, we in New Zealand know it is nearly Christmas. And of course, Christmas in New Zealand is beach. Although we got a bit of a cold snap at the moment, the summer will start soon, and that means that we're going to be here, right there. We've got so many beaches in New Zealand. It's incredible, but this is the one that sounds in the Christmas period. And you'll find those on a lot of postcards, Christmas postcards as well. Yep. It's nearly Merry Christmas. I'm trying to capture this birdie just flying around me. But see, they're very quick. But they always do that. They just come to the people and fly around you. See that? There you go. Drives you crazy. Hey, you! Where are you? Over there. There you are. There's two of them at the moment. See, there's another one over here. They just fly around you. I think they're looking for food, but they're just playing with you. Look at that. Look at that. They're just playing with you.